Seychelles is a paradise for bees. Seychelles, up to date, has not been affected by many of the diseases and pests affecting bees worldwide. We do not have varroa mites in Seychelles. We do not have foul brood disease in Seychelles. We do not have small hive beetles and many other viruses that are affecting bees. But beekeeping in general is still something that is done at a very low key. And Seychelles, being green and environmental island, has huge potential for honey production. So the Beekeepers Association has, if you like, several roles. One is to protect the bees and prevent the introduction of unwanted pests and diseases. At the same time, educate people as much as possible to know everything about bees, why we need to conserve them, and what they do in terms of our environment, and of course how people can benefit from keeping bees through the production of honey, wax, and other bee products, and bring in a